Here are the top Python libraries for machine learning. The first one is NumPy. NumPy is one of the powerful libraries that provides efficient numerical operations on array data. The second is SciPy. SciPy is an extended version of NumPy with additional scientific and mathematical functions. This library is basically for scientific computing. Pandas is one of the most powerful libraries for data manipulation and analysis. This library offers powerful data analysis and manipulation tools. Matplotlib is one of the data visualization tools that enables data visualization with various plot types. Seaborn is also another visualization tool that's built on top of Matplotlib for creating more interactive and informative visualizations. So those are the general purpose libraries for machine learning. And the other is Scikit-learn, which is a comprehensive library for various machine learning tasks, including classification, regression, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. The second is TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a powerful open source library for numerical computation and deep learning. Keras is also another library for machine learning, which is a high level of API for building and training neural networks, which is often used for training the neural network model. So this is used with TensorFlow or PyTorch. PyTorch is also another popular library for deep learning known as its flexibility and ease of use. The other powerful tools that use to manipulate data from websites are Scrappy or Beautiful Soup. Scrappy is a framework for web scraping. It's useful for collecting data for machine learning projects. And Beautiful Soup is a library for parsing HTML and extracting data from web pages. So those are the top machine learning libraries for your machine learning projects. Choosing the best library depends on your specific needs and the type of machine learning tasks you are tackling. Here are some factors to consider to choose the right library. One is the task that you want to perform, and the other is data set type and ease of use, community support. So it's recommended to research and experiment with different libraries to find out the best one for your specific needs. So you can also combine multiple libraries within your project for different tasks. Thanks.